Welcome, campers. If you're looking for a channel dedicated to camping, hiking, and general outdoor fun, then look no further. Here at Beastmode Camping, we love nothing more than spending time in nature and sharing our tips and tricks with all of you.
Why don't you back up, buddy?
Aww. Over and start cutting the vegetables.
With your hosts, Tony and Steve. We have thousands of hours of camping and hiking between us. We want to share with you what not to do. And maybe a few things you will want to do.
Do a side-by-side, honest opinion comparison.
Of looks like sausage in there.
Yeah.
We make content for people that want to know what gear to choose, what provides the best value for your money, and how to use it. If this sounds like a fit for you, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.